Hello everyone, welcome back to channel again. This is Cloud Institution, the best cloud training institution in Bangalore. So today in this video, we're going to see another very important interview question on S3, which is on AWS topic. So today the question is going to be, what is multi-part upload in S3? Okay, so what is multi-part upload? So these kind of questions are real-time questions, So these are the questions are asked in most of the interviews, usually. So the answer for this particular question is going to be the multi-part uploads. Multi-part uploads allow you to upload the large object in parts, which can improve performance and reliability, especially useful for the object over 100 MB. Okay, what do you mean by multi-part upload? Okay, as you know that so you can upload the files and folders in S3 bucket, right? So whenever you're uploading files and folders in S3 bucket, if the so if your file size is less than 100 MB, so that can be uploaded in a single file. Okay, so what happens if you're having a 1 GB of file, so that has to be uploaded into S3 bucket. Okay, so for this particular purpose, if your file size is more than, so if file size is pretty bigger, then you can use multi-part upload feature that allows you to upload the large objects in parts, which can improve your performance and reliability. It especially useful for over 100 MB. Okay, so the straightforward question is going to be, if your file size is pretty much bigger, then you have to use multi-part upload. Okay, so this multi-part upload can be used in AWS CLI. You can upload you can upload the files using multiple upload using AWS CLI, and you can also upload using various different ways. Okay, but AWS CLI is kind of a best way to upload the multiple uploads. If you're having the file size much bigger, okay, so more than 100 MB, if you have a file size, then you can use a multi-part upload. Okay, so this particular question can be asked, so whether you have a really a real-time hands-on experience in S3 bucket or not. Because if you already used S3 bucket in your real time, then the interviewer will easily identify whether you've already used, so the multiple upload for the bigger files, because most of the companies are uploading the files which is much bigger than 100 MB. Okay, so hope you understand this particular video, because so this kind of a videos, this kind of a interview questions will frequently asked in all the interviews. Okay, and if you go for a solution architect level, medium, or so intermediate and advanced level of the of the interviews, and these kind of questions are highly expected to be asked in the interviews. Okay, so that's it from this video, guys. Please stay tuned for the rest of the videos in the future. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video.